Nessies, South Wales. I'm so excited to ride all these great flat rides. In order to ride any ride, you need to buy tokens, which is 50p per token. And on average, each ride is about 4 tokens, so that's about £2. But I decided to get a mega wristband because I'd like to ride as many rides as possible today. I just had my first ride on Beach Party and it was great. It was a really long cycle and it was so fun. There's barely any people, so we had to wait in the seats for quite a while. I definitely recommend doing Beach Party if you're ever here. You get a great view of the beach and the sea when you go upside down. Now I'm going to have my first ride on Ghost Train. I can't wait. I've just come off of the Ghost Train and it was great. There was one really scary moment, a jump scare. I've decided I'm going to have a go on bounce. I can't wait for this ride. Bounce was incredible. We had such a long cycle. The operator knew that I was filming a POV and that I had a YouTube channel, so he gave us an awesome extra long ride. It was so fun. I definitely recommend doing it. The drops were incredible. I was not expecting it to go backwards. It was great. Such a surprise, which really made the ride for me. I'm now going for a ride on the sticky wall. I've always wanted to do one of these, so I'm so excited. That was a crazy experience. I can't believe how weird it felt. You literally floated in mid-air and you didn't know which way was up or down. It was incredible. I think I'm going to have a go on Miami Madness now, as there's no queue. It's probably the longest cycle I've had on any flat ride. It went on for 4 minutes and it just felt like it would never stop. You just kept on switching directions from clockwise to anti-clockwise. It was crazy. I'm going to ride my first coaster at the park, the Wacky Work. I'm excited as this is my first Wacky Work. Which was great. It was my first Wacky Work and it was a really fun ride. The operator was so kind and he was so nice to me and wanted to know more about my YouTube channel. go-gator, which was incredible. I thought it was going to be a kiddie ride, but then it suddenly went so fast, and then it did it all backwards. It's a shame the snow machine wasn't working, but apart from that, it was an incredible ride. I'm so excited for Go-Gator. This is going to be an incredible ride and definitely the best coaster I've ever ridden. That was my first Go-Gator and it certainly did not disappoint. I'm now going for a ride on Nessies. Third and final roller coaster here at Coney Beach. It was a fun little kiddie coaster and it was my 38th cred. Everywhere you look there's just rides. There's so many. I'm definitely not going to be able to get on them all today. I'm going for a ride on Mega Spin now, the craziest ride here at Coney Beach. That ride was crazy. I can barely walk. It was so dizzy. You thought you were going to end it and it just went upside down again. It spun you so fast. It was so crazy. I'm going for a ride on my first walk for now. So crazy, it spanned so fast and went so fast. I was not expecting it to go that fast at all. I felt sick throughout the whole ride, but luckily I wasn't. That was my first and probably last waltzer I'll ever do. I'm just leaving the park. I did the fun house, which is a nice way to end the day. I did so many rides today and I felt really sick at the end after doing that waltzer. I'm definitely not going to do one of those for a while. I did all the main rides I wanted to do and we spent just under 2 hours here, so it's a great park to do lots of rides. There were barely any queue. The 3 kiddie coasters were great creds and I'm so glad I rode them. I had to squeeze my legs in really tightly to get them Go-Gator as it's made for tiny children, but it was so fun. I definitely saved a lot of money by buying the £18 wristband instead of paying £2 or £2.50 per ride, because I would have done way more than £18 in total. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Goodbye from Portugal.